This video is about how to avoid incremental changes and rebalance your small case the correct way. To give you a quick overview about incremental changes, during a rebalance, along with the original portfolio changes suggested by the creator, there are some minor changes that take place in order to match the weightage of the model portfolio. This majorly happens because of changes in the stock price at the time of your rebalance. Though these changes may not significantly impact the portfolio weightage by any means, they could result in some unnecessary costs. We at Weekend Investing would strongly recommend that you ignore those incremental changes by customizing your rebalance update and only make those changes that are suggested by us. Why does this happen? Let us first understand how rebalance works and then proceed towards understanding what incremental changes are, how to avoid these incremental changes, and rebalance your small case the correct way with an example and a live demo. Firstly, we would like you to understand that a rebalance does not mean that portfolios will mandatorily undergo a change every week or month based on whether it is a weekly or monthly rebalance portfolio. A rebalance is more like a review of the portfolio. So there will be weeks when there is a change and other weeks when there are no changes in the portfolio. We run our algorithms to check for rebalances after 3:30 p.m. on last trading day of the week for all our weekly rebalance portfolios. And then we upload the rebalanced portfolio to Small Case portal on the same day. By the end of Friday or last trading day of the week, you will be able to see the narration of rebalance when you log into your Small Case account. In case there is a change in the portfolio, the narration will read as follows. Now here, Web Global exits the portfolio and Shilpa Medicare is added to the portfolio. Now in case there is no change, you may leave it as it is. Since the process of rebalance is clear, let us now understand what are incremental changes. Let's consider a 10 stock weekly rebalanced portfolio with a maximum allocation of 10% to each stock. To the left is the composition of the portfolio as it is. After running our algo post market hours, we find out that stock C and G are to be removed from the portfolio and replaced by two new stocks X and Y. The rebalanced portfolio will have 7 shares of stock X at Rs 380 per share and 3 shares of stock Y at Rs 955 per share. Please note that the number of shares and weights are based on the close prices of these stocks as on Friday or last trading day of the week. When you are to rebalance your portfolios on Monday, there is a possibility of some price differences in these stocks. In this example, to the left, we have the rebalanced portfolio at Friday's close. And to the right, we have the rebalanced portfolio at Monday's open, that is, when you rebalance your portfolio. Now, stock A, as you can see, has gone up from Rs 565 to 605. Due to this change in pricing, the weightage allocation gets altered as well. The small case platform will automatically reduce the number of shares from 5 to 4 in order to stay within the limits of the target weightage allocated to that particular stock in the portfolio. Similarly, stock D's price goes down from Rs 115 to 108, resulting in addition of 1 share. Stock J's price goes down from Rs 280 to 245, resulting in addition of 2 shares. These unnecessary changes are referred to as incremental changes, which you are required to ignore when you rebalance your portfolio. The only changes to the portfolio would be addition of stocks X and Y in place of stocks C and G. Now, as you can see, stocks D, J and A are the incremental changes you will have to remove from the rebalance. We do this by customizing the quantity column of all such incremental orders to make the change column 0. So we click customize order. In stock D, there is 1 additional share. So you reduce 1 quantity to make the change column 0. Similarly, in stock J, there are 2 additional shares. So you reduce 2 quantities to make the change column 0. On the sell side, in stock A, we add 1 quantity to make the change column 0. And then we click confirm update. You can review your update and check once again if all the incremental changes are ignored and then click rebalance small case. Why should you even be doing this? Is there a commercial impact? Are you losing any money if you're not avoiding these incremental changes? The answer is yes. Now, depository participants like Zerodha, for example, pay a fee for every transaction on the sell side to the Central Depository Services Limited, which is the depository for BSE, and National Securities Depository Limited, which is the depository for NSE. However, the exchanges can use either of the two depositories for trading and settlement of securities. So this fee is for every scrip on the sell side and is independent of the quantity. For every stock sold, you will end up paying Rs 13.5 plus GST. As a part of incremental changes, if you're selling 10 stocks unnecessarily, you end up paying Rs 159.3, which can be huge if you're doing this every week. Now, after understanding this concept, let us watch a live demo of this. We will first log into our small case account and then look for rebalance changes. So you can click on the notifications tab over here, the bell icon, and look for rebalance changes, right? Now when you click over here, you can see that there is a rebalance update that is pending for the small case MI25. Now when you click on see update, you can see that there is one exit notice for Vaibhav Global and one addition for Shilpa Medicare, right? So that is the only change for this week's rebalance. Now what I do is, before clicking on review update, just for verification purposes, you can open your small case, go to investments and open your small case, and then click on see original small case. You click on stocks and weights. Now as you can see over here, Medicare has an allocation of 4.83%. So you may simply note this down or maybe create a duplicate tab and keep this for reference. So this is the model portfolio. You can observe over here that Vaibhav Global has been removed from the portfolio and Shilpa Medicare has been added to the portfolio. From here, you can click on see update. So we can find over here that apart from Shilpa Medicare, all the other changes are unnecessary, right? And even on the sell side, except for Vaibhav Global, all the other changes are unnecessary. These are all incremental changes, which we have to avoid. So what we do is, we click on customize, and then Haikal is an unnecessary update, so we remove that. So there is -1. What you do is we make it +1 and make it 0. And Laurus Labs is also an incremental change. So we also make a +1 and make it 0. And Tata Steel BSL Limited is also an incremental change. So we do +6 and make it 0. And then Vaibhav Global remains as it is, right? So on the buy side, Centrum Capital is again an incremental change. So we again reduce 16 quantities to make it 0. And then Shilpa Medicare stays as it is. So Just Dial again goes to 0. This also goes to 0. And then Triveni also goes to 0. Now just for confirmation purposes, only Shilpa Medicare is being added to the portfolio and Vaibhav Global exits from the portfolio. Every other change has to be marked as an incremental change and will have to be reduced to 0 or increased to 0 based on whether it is a sell or buy order. So let us just verify this again. Everything else is 0, check, and then we confirm the update. As we can see, these are the only two changes based on the original rebalance update. We click rebalance, confirm the orders, and yes, we are through.